Each year we are traveling to a mystery city. It's always a secret, and we are always visiting a high-end 3D printing company. And this year we were lucky to be invited by Aidro.
It was awesome how it immediately grabbed everybody's attention to come into such a diverse environment with parts which were 3D printed but also traditionally manufactured, so that they could right away see what the benefits are.
They understand better how to create the features and how to plan and design the features and build the product we do better.
Visiting Aidro was actually a pretty nice opportunity to learn more about hydraulics and how they use 3D printing.
Valeria put together an amazing plan for us.
It actually was a little like a walk through the company.
We had like 3 workshops.
We actually went into the design phase right away.
They gave us an object and we need to just be creative
And actually make better designs.
It was pretty interesting how they see the nature and work with it.
The EOS machine that they were using to print metal parts.
They showed us how it's set up, how it's actually running, what needs to be done to run a printer. It's not just putting a printer there and pressing a button. It's this whole facility, all precautions you have to take with handling the powder and so on. It was pretty interesting to see, feel and smell how it works.
We could see and got explained about the post-processing, about the support structure.
When you print in metal, you don't get the final part right away, because in most cases there's support structure which needs to be taken off.
This very precise work that you need to do and which takes also a lot of time.
It was really interesting to see how that is still a very manual process. It was a super inspiring day for everybody in our team. It was so cool to see how a company that comes from traditional manufacturing has adopted AM to make their products better. We're deeply thankful for that experience, and it gives a very good reminder in our head to come back to Italy.